Ready to ditch the financial headache and get your business finances organized the right way? Let's dive into setting up a brand new company in Peachtree step by step so you can start managing your books like a pro. First, launch Peachtree and on the welcome screen, select the option to create a new company. This kicks off the new company setup wizard. You will see the introduction screen. Click Next to proceed. Now, you'll need to choose how you want to set up your company if you are brand new. It is recommended to select Use a Sample Company and pick the one that best fits you. This gives you a head start if you want to set up everything from scratch. Select Build Your Own and click Next. On the company information screen, enter all the essential details about your business, like the company name, address, city, state, and zip code. Be sure to fill out the required fields for compliance and proper reporting. Next up is setting up your chart of accounts, which is the backbone of your accounting system. Peachtree lets you choose from pre-built charts for different industries, copy from an existing company, or build your own from scratch if you have specific needs. Now, select your accounting periods. This is usually monthly for most companies. You can also select whether the first month of your fiscal year is January or something different. Click Next and Peachtree will generate your company file and set up the initial options. And there you have it. Your new company is ready to go in Peachtree. Now you can start entering transactions, managing customers and vendors, and getting a clear picture of your business finances. Keep learning and stay tuned for more tutorials to master Peachtree.